My banana pepper plant has brown and black spots all over the leaves. What is causing that? And again, this is the banana pepper plant. Brown and black spots on the leaves specifically.
Right, the only thing that I saw that matches that description is the bacterial spot.
Okay. That's what I think as well.
I kind of looked down through the diseases in the Red Book
Right.
Again. And fixed copper mixed with Mancozeb.
So copper-based fungicide?
A copper-based fungicide should give you some relief. I do notice that some varieties of peppers are resistant to bacterial spot, and you might want to check that out. And hopefully, I don't know how many peppers you said. Banana, is it one banana?
Yeah,
pepper?
we don't know how many.
You know, you might want to check next time, or it's not too late to plant a banana pepper now, to try to find one that has some resistance to bacterial spot.
Right. Resistant varieties are always out there.
Resistant variety, that's better than having to spray all the time.
Right.
If you've got that problem, also this is some cultural practices. Do not don't pick your peppers or mess with them while they're wet, because you can spread. It's bacterial, so you can spread it, and that's just one little thing that you might want to kind of keep in mind.
And another thing, pepper and tomato get the same disease. Rotate the.
That's right.
Rotate in the garden. That's one of the good things. Don't plant them where you had your tomato. Put them somewhere else in your garden next year, because the disease you put elsewhere might not get on that plant. So I rotate them. It probably about the next 3 years before I come to that same spot again. Okay. Then move them around in your vegetable garden.
Okay. Rotation, crop rotation, of course. Resistant varieties.
Resistant varieties, good.
And cultural practices. I think you should always mulch. Around your vegetables too. So cut down on the splashing effect.